Sure. So if you are,
You have to understand there are two distinct parts. One is cyber defense and another is cyber offensive operations. If you see how the other countries are organized, in the USA, the cyber defense responsibility of Department of Homeland Security, like our MHA. The NSA has got the maximum capabilities in terms of everything. It carries out the offensive part and as well as the cyber command which has come up. And this is dual-headed as of now. The chief of NSA and the cyber command is the same. There is the armed forces officer. Now, what happens in New England? GCHQ reports to foreign minister. It does not come under anybody except foreign minister because it goes in the other people's domain. In Israel, there was a lot of confusion. The intelligence agencies, Mossad and all, wanted to keep this to themselves. Ultimately, the prime minister said it will come under me. All the operations they carry out has to get the stamp of PMO, PM. In our case, there is a lot of confusion. We have got a national cyber security coordinator, but he has got no authority. You can give him responsible authority. He can only pass instruction to different agencies, like somebody has mentioned that in the power sector, it is infested with Chinese. But who will do that? It is the power sectors who has to do it. And who will pass instructions? The National Cyber Security Coordinator has got no authority to tell if the ministries are strong, they will set tools. So there is a dichotomy here and we have to sort out. And I'm sorry, at the present state that we are in, if the armed forces can look after their own networks, cyber networks or the community networks, it will be very nice. They have got no capability as of now or the intention to get into national domain. It is too far off. It is too complicated, too big for armed forces to do it. Yes, what can happen is like a disaster management and all, some disaster has taken place. So the government can say, okay, can you do something about it, or some disaster management type of a thing can be done. But to take over the responsibility of cyber domain, cyber defense is beyond this. Cyber operations, it is a classified domain. I will leave it at that. There are people who have been designated like NTR and all. They do whatever God only knows, and those who knows will not talk. But this is what the status is. But as of now, there is no central agency who can be hanged by his balls. If something disaster has taken place, so you are responsible. And there lies the dilemma. There has to be a single agency who should be made responsible and his ball should be on fire. That is not there today as of now. Thank you, sir.
thank you.